Hello guys! So ngayon ay graduation ng aking kapatid na si Justin and ang kanyang GF. Ayan, so dito kami ngayon sa plaza kasi dito i-held ang kanilang graduation. So ayan guys! Masaya. Yan si Mama, o diba? Pak na pak ang outfit ba yun? Naingana. Ayan. So ito kapatid ni Neil, si Bibi, my sister-in-law and mother.
Sa Bagong Pilipinas, Generation of Unity, Partners for the New Philippines.
Madam Lizelle V. Macalisa, to our guest speaker for the school year 2024 to 2025. Once again, good morning and welcome to the 8th graduation ceremony. Thank you and may God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Ms. Nabutbay. At this
Pagni, Per Schools Division Superintendent, Dr. Edelberto L. Oplinaria, and by the presentation and certification of your school principal, Madam Fea Rangkon of Hasan National Senior High School, that you have satisfactorily completed the requirements of the K-12 Senior High School of Hasan National High School as Public Schools District Supervisor of Hasan South District, I hereby confirm you as graduates of Hassan National High School this 15th day of April 2025. Congratulations!
Thank you very much, Luke.
Finally arrived. The reward of your discipline, sacrifice, and dedication is about to be reaped. Now may I call in our designated confirming officer, Dr. Nila D. Simacon, our school principal, Madam Betty Arcon, our assistant school principal, Madam Lizelle V. Macalisa, our assistant Balilor, our committee on education, Honorable Kagawad Rico C. Baldon, our SPTA president, Madam
Karen Brian, Hugh Minor, Axel Rose L. Ihon, Anthony J. Indoy, Ken MJ R. Javier, Simbaron, Joshua Glenn D. Tabamo, Joram B. Takubao Jr.,
Academic track, Humanities and Social Sciences, Christian H. Agudo, Cyril K. D. Balete, Divine Rose D. Batalier, Cindy M. Bayotas, Mary Lady Jane A. Cabajo, Joyce Kesha Jemary M. Kainglit, Chloe Louise N. Cantele, Wendy May C. Seprado, Lisa Kim F. Cervantes, Kazana Nicole G. Dihito, Jenny Babe C. M.B., Jessica B. Formentera, Angelica N. Fuentes,
Cabral Mills G. with honors. Idu Alona Grace T. with honors and conduct awarding. Idu Princess Sophia T. with honors. Jimenez Melanie B. with honors and conduct awarding. Goldenias Isle Justin N. with honors and MRAA eSpark Mobile Legends Regional First Placer. Humainon Kent Bryle U. with honors. Javier Ken Andrew R. with honors and conduct awardee. With honors and conduct awardee. Meroxy Amor G. with honors. Ragandang Raymond Jr. C. with honors and conduct awardee. Big Road League Philippines, Mindanao Regional Baseball, second placer. Tapas and
Batalier Divine Rose T. with honors and conduct awardee. Bayotas Sandy M. with honors and conduct awardee. Bernal Ruben Jr. L. with honors, outstanding in performing arts and conduct awardee. Cabindas Joyce Keisha with honors and conduct awardee. Seprado Wendy May Z with honors and conduct awardee. Cervantes Miza Kim F with honors and conduct awardee. Dahito Cassandra Nicole G with honors and conduct awardee. Formentera Jessica V with honors and conduct awardee. Galapia Crizel Jean S with honors and conduct awardee. Macarulay Faye Valerie N with honors and conduct awardee.
Thank you very much, graduates. And this is your moment that will turn into a memory.
na ang kanilang graduation and we're going home na.